Ever wondered why two people use the same AI tool and get completely different results? The secret isn't the AI itself, it's how you communicate with it. Today, you'll master prompt engineering, the skill that separates AI beginners from AI power users. Most people submit casual requests to AI and then question why they receive average, uninspired results. But professionals? They approach it differently. They apply structured prompt techniques and proven frameworks to extract exactly what they need, every time. This is the foundation of prompt engineering. It's not coding, it's communication. And if you watch this video to the very end, I can assure you, your productivity will increase tenfold, guaranteed. Here's the reality. 90% of AI users waste hours, sometimes days, simply because they don't know how to prompt effectively. They get frustrated, they blame the AI, and they completely miss out on its true potential. But here's the good news. That ends today. Stay with this video to the end, and I promise you'll know exactly how to unlock AI's full power and boost your productivity 10x. Master these techniques and you'll gain 3 superpowers: precision to get exactly what you want, speed to get it fast, and creativity to unlock possibilities you never imagined. Let's dive into the 5 core techniques every AI user must know. Today you'll master 5 essential prompt engineering techniques. First, role-based prompting. Give your AI a defined expert identity. Second, context plus constraints. This ensures accurate, focused outputs. Now, the third technique will literally blow your mind. It's called chain of thought, and it turns AI into a true problem solver. Fourth, few-shot learning. Use examples to guide behavior. And fifth, iterative refinement. Polish your prompts to perfection. Each technique builds on the last, unlocking powerful, next-level AI performance. We'll start with the foundation techniques. First, role-based prompting. It tells your AI exactly which expert role to adopt, setting the stage for smarter outputs. Second, context plus constraints. This gives you precise control over the tone, format, and scope of every response. These 2 techniques alone will dramatically transform the quality of your results, fast. Now for the advanced techniques. Third, chain of thought prompting. This one will literally blow your mind because it turns your AI into a true problem solver by guiding it to reason step by step. Fourth, few-shot learning. Show your AI examples and it quickly learns the pattern. And fifth, iterative refinement. You improve your results by tweaking prompts based on what the AI returns. Together, these techniques unlock expert-level prompting with powerful precision. Role-based prompting is your first essential technique. Instead of talking to a generic AI, you transform it into any expert you need. Want marketing advice? Make it a marketing strategist. Need code help? Turn it into a senior developer. The role defines the AI's knowledge base, communication style, and approach to problem solving. Here's the difference in action. A generic prompt says, "Help me write an email." But a role-based prompt says, "You are an expert business communication consultant. Help me write a professional email to a client about a project delay." See how the second version gets the AI thinking like a communication expert. That's the power of role-based prompting. Context plus constraints gives you precision control. Context tells the AI about the situation, background, and goals. Constraints set the boundaries, like format, length, tone, and any restrictions. Together, they ensure your AI output perfectly matches your needs. Here's a complete example. Context. I'm launching a productivity app for remote teams targeting startup founders. Constraints. Write a LinkedIn post. Maximum 150 words. Professional but approachable tone. Include a call to action. Result. The AI crafts exactly what you need because you gave it both the situation and the boundaries. No guessing, no revision needed. Chain of thought prompting makes AI show its thinking process. Instead of jumping to conclusions, you ask the AI to reason through problems step by step. This dramatically improves accuracy for complex tasks like analysis, problem solving, and decision making. It's like having the AI think out loud before giving you the final answer. Here's your magic phrase. Let's think through this step by step. Add this to any complex prompt and watch the AI quality improve instantly. It triggers the chain of thought process automatically. Use it for analysis, planning, problem solving, or any task that requires logical reasoning. Few-shot learning teaches AI through examples. Show the pattern you want, and the AI will follow it perfectly. Give 2 or 3 examples of your desired format, style, or approach, then ask for more. It's incredibly powerful for consistent formatting, tone matching, or specific output structures. Examples are worth 1,000 words of instruction. Iterative refinement perfects results through strategic follow-ups. Start with a good prompt, get initial results, then provide specific feedback for improvements. Say, make it more conversational or add more technical detail. Each iteration gets closer to perfection. Think of it as having a conversation with the AI to sculpt your ideal output. In the next video, we'll explore how to build full AI workflows using just prompts. So your AI assistant doesn't just respond to single requests, it works like a strategic teammate, handling complex multi-step projects automatically. Want to skip the learning curve and get professional results today? I've created the ultimate prompt bundle with over 3,000 ready-to-use expert prompts. Just copy, paste, and customize. Everything you've learned today, pre-written and perfected. Check the link in the description to upgrade your AI game instantly. You can also copy link in your favorite browser for the seamless experience. Don't miss those workflow secrets. Subscribe now for the complete Prompt Engineering Mastery Series. Your AI transformation starts today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. We will also like to hear the topic you want us to make video in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.